Image formation by concave mirror. Concave mirror is converging mirror. Whenever you are drawing a ray diagram to locate the formation of image, you have to use a scale for drawing line and you have to take a measurement of f. Suppose if it is 4 centimeter, the center of curvature, that is distance between the pole and the C, it is a radius of curvature, it will be equal to 2f. So C, the distance, it is 8 centimeter. So from here to here, f 4 centimeter means C distance between P and C is 8 centimeter. If you are taking like this, you are automatically able to locate the image. So the object is at infinity. So I am drawing an object at infinity. The object is at infinity. The light rays parallel to principal axis, it fall on the mirror. And when the light ray parallel to principal axis, it will be after reflection, it will pass through the focus. So one more light I will fall. I will draw one more light from the object. It is parallel to the principal axis. So it after reflection, it pass through the focus. So the image will be formed at the focus. The image will be formed at the focus. It is highly diminished, point sized, real and inverted image. So it is a real image able to capture on the screen and inverted image we are getting. Next it is, if we keep the object beyond C. So I am drawing object beyond C. Drawing object beyond C. The light ray from the object parallel to the principal axis, it fall on the mirror and it will be focused. After the reflection, it pass through the focus. So one more light ray, it passes through the center of curvature. Light ray, it is passing through the center of curvature. When the light ray pass through the center of curvature, it is reflected back in the same line. So these two light rays intersect. The point of intersection, there will be formation of image. So image will be formed between the C and F. So image will be formed between C and F. The nature of the image is diminished, real, and inverted. So it can be captured on the screen. So diminished, real, inverted image is formed when the object is kept at beyond C. When the object is kept at C, focus and center of curvature. When the object is at C, I'm drawing the object at C, the light ray parallel to the principal axis, and it is after reflection, it passed through the F. The one more light ray, it is passed through the focus. So it is after reflection, it will be parallel to the point of intersection. And the light pass through the F after reflection, it will be parallel to the principal axis. So the point of intersection at which the image is formed. So the image is formed at C. The image is formed at C. The real inverted image, it is same size. When the object is kept at C, the image is also formed at C. Real inverted image, the same size of object. When you keep the object between C and F, when you keep the object between C and F, I'm drawing the object, the light parallel to the principal axis, and it will be passing through the focus. One more light, I allow it to pass through the C. It is passed through the C. When the light is passing through the C, it will be reflected back in the same line. So the point of intersection where there is the formation of image. So image will be formed beyond C. Image will be formed beyond C, and the image, the nature of the image is real, inverted, and enlarged. When we keep the object between A and, sorry, if when we keep the object at F, the object is kept at F. So I am drawing the object at F. F, the light parallel to the principal axis, and it will be again reflected and passing through the F, the light ray which is passing through the C. It is not intersecting because the image is formed at infinity, somewhere else here. Infinity, the image will be formed at infinity, and the nature of the image is real, inverted, and highly enlarged image. So highly enlarged image is formed. The object is kept between P and F. Kept between P and F. So P is pole of the mirror. So the object is kept between P and F. So the light parallel to the principal axis, and it will be passing through the focus. So another light ray, it will be passing through the center of curvature. So as it is reflected back in the same line, it does not intersect. So when we produce the two light rays, there will be formation of image just behind the mirror. So just behind the mirror, there will be formation of image. The image, nature of the image is virtual, erect, and enlarged image. So enlarged image is formed when the object is kept in between F and P. In case of convex mirror is a converging mirror. Sorry, convex mirror is a diverging mirror. So when we keep the object at infinity. So I am drawing the object at infinity. Convex mirror means the reflecting surface is outward. Outward reflecting surfaces, convex mirror, it is a diverging mirror. I am keeping the object at infinity. So the light parallel to the principal axis, it fall on the mirror. And as it is a diverging mirror, the light rays, it get diverged like this. The light ray falling on the object parallel to the principal axis, and it get diverted like this. When we produce the diverted rays, it falls on the focus. Actually it lies positive side, because the incident ray direction is pointing towards the positive side, the left hand side it will be negative. So the image will be formed here at focus. The type of the image, it will be virtual, erect, and highly diminished. So the image is virtual, erect, and highly diminished, very small at focus. It will be formed. If we are keeping the object between P and infinity. So P is the pole of the mirror. So we are keeping the object between P and infinity. So I am keeping the object here at infinity. So the light ray parallel to the principal axis, and it get diverged like this. When I produce this light, it will fall through F. So one more light ray, it will be passing through the C. So when the light ray passing through the C, so it will come back in the same line, reflected back in the same line. The two light rays intersect at one point. There will be formation of image. So the image will be formed, the point of intersection. So we will get virtual, erect, diminished image between P and F. Between P and F, we get the image. Nature of the image will be virtual, erect, and diminished.